High energy bill got you down? Sounds like you could use a spring AC tune-up from Cowboys Heating and Air Conditioning. For only $39.95, Cowboys 15-point spring AC tune-up will get your AC unit in shape for the summer, making it more efficient so your energy bills will be lower and you'll be a lot cooler. We do business the old-fashioned way, so if you ain't happy, we'll give your money back. So give Cowboys Heating and Air Conditioning a call at 495-7771 and ask for our $39.95 spring AC tune-up. That's 495-7771.